If the sky is clear where you are, go outside and look up. You'll see a full moon, but it won't be your typical one. This one has been billed a super moon. NBC's George Lewis explains why.
Remember when we conquered the moon, or so we thought?
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Now the moon is in the headlines once again, a so-called supermoon. And what is that exactly?
Well, every 18 years the moon gets closest to the Earth.
And when that part of the lunar orbit coincides with a full moon, the result is a bigger-looking supermoon. It has given rise to all sorts of myths and fears that the moon might trigger earthquakes here in California and elsewhere. Not so, say the experts.
Nothing to fear, just a good show by Mother Nature.
The moon has been the stuff of legend forever. In medieval times, they thought people could go crazy staring at it. The word lunatic comes from luna, Latin for moon. This carried over into the movies, like the Wolfman series. In E.T., there was that famous bike ride past the moon. Breakfast at Tiffany's gave us an Oscar-winning moon song, one of countless such tunes. So, tonight, as the moon looms larger than it has in almost 2 decades, we continue to be inspired by it. In the words of that old standard, the moon belongs to everyone. The best things in life are free. George Lewis, NBC News, Los Angeles.